High ping can significantly affect your gaming experience in Roblox. Here is a straightforward guide to help you enhance your connection and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use an online speed test to measure your current internet speed. Ensure that your connection meets the recommended speeds for online gaming, which is typically at least 3 Mbps for a stable experience. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you are currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing latency and improving overall performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications or programs running in the background. This can free up bandwidth and processing power, allowing Roblox to run more smoothly. Step 4. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and ensure the quality of service QoS is enabled. This feature prioritizes gaming traffic over other types of internet usage, which can help lower your ping. Step 5. Choose the right server. When playing Roblox, select a server that is geographically closer to your location. This can significantly reduce ping times and improve your gaming experience. By following these steps, you can enhance your Roblox experience and enjoy smoother gameplay. Remember to regularly check your connection and settings for the best performance.